Lai.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. We are all over the place.
Thank you very much, sir.
It was an exciting moment of hope and fulfillment as President Muhammadu Buhari welcomes the presidential media team led by the Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Muhammad, at the Abuja House in London.
I see you every evening in the press.
Thank you
It's very good.
Thank you very much, sir.
At least by the press you are working very hard.
The team include the Presidential Media Advisor Femi Adesina, the Senior Special Assistant to the President Media and Publicity Garba Shehu, the Personal Assistant Online Media Loretta Onoche, as well as the Senior Special Assistant on Diaspora Matters Abike Dabri Erewa. For about 1 hour, the team interacted freely with President Muhammadu Buhari on his health condition and other wide range of issues on the nation's well-being. When the team expressed delight about his much improved health, President Buhari retorted, and I quote, "I feel I could go home, but the doctors are now in charge and I have now learned to obey orders." When told about the fervent prayers for him within and outside Nigeria, a delighted President Muhammadu Buhari was full of appreciation and prayed God to reward them abundantly. As he puts it, what we did in the Gambia early this year fetched us a lot of goodwill on the African continent. It gave us a lot of latitude. The Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Muhammad, speaks about his impression.
The president is very much back. He's very healthy and has not lost his sense of humor at all. We're leaving London very elated, very excited because we met our president in very good health. He has spoken to us. You know, we exchanged banters, and I think we can't ask for more.
People would like to know, when is he coming back to Nigeria?
Yes, he has said that now he has learned to obey orders. You know, Mr. President is the retired general. He was the one who used to issue the orders. But now the shoe is on the other foot, and he's the one that must obey orders. So he says he must obey the orders of his doctors. So we look forward to the doctors giving him the green light to proceed to Nigeria.
So we just appeal to Nigerians to continue to pray for Mr. President. He's going to come back, inshallah, to Nigeria to continue what he's been doing. And right now, there's really no vacuum. And Mr. President is happy about that the fact that the acting president is doing the job with all diligence and responsibility.
The Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Muhammad, used the opportunity to present a Get Well Soon card to the President, signed by all the ministers, for which he was appreciative and hoped to be with them and indeed Nigerians soon. From London, Adamu Sambu, NTA News.